Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my multiple planner setup and walking you through how I use each one of my planners. This is the first video in my multiple planner series. Every Friday for the next 5 weeks, I'm going to be sharing tips and strategies for multiple planners, including the pros and cons of having multiple planners, how to use a notebook within your planner, why multiple planners might be the best fit for you, and how to use multiple planners effectively. So let's jump into the first video in this series, which is my multiple planner setup. This is my planner. It's a disc-bound Happy Planner Big. I have a tulle leather cover, which I love because it has pockets on the inside, and gold expander disc from the Happy Planner. The first thing that you see when you open up my planner is a notebook. This is my inbox section where I can process information quickly and store information that I will need later. In the third video in this series, we will dive into how I use my notebook in my planner. My first planner is my catch-all planner. It's a 12-month hourly Happy Planner Big. This is the hub to my life. It functions as an overview to everything that I will need on a daily basis. On my sidebar, I keep up with upcoming items for the week, what's going to happen next week, and I also have a currently section. In my currently section, I add my current social media numbers, what I'm reading, and sometimes I even add habit trackers. To plan my day, I use an hourly Happy Planner because I love to time block my day by the hour. I add my schedule, my appointments, and my meetings. A lot of my routines are placed by certain hours just to ensure that I get them done. So for instance, now as I am writing down my AM routine with the home box next to it, that basically tells me to refer to my home planner to look at what activities or what chores I'm supposed to get done during my AM routine. Along the bottom, I like to keep track of what meals I am having for dinner, and then I have a full detail in my home planner. And then at the top, I like to keep track of the weather. This kind of helps me out because I do not like to run errands in the rain, so I will rearrange my schedule to avoid the rain as much as possible. In the top box, I add my top priorities for the day. These are the top things that I absolutely must get done. And then underneath, for each hour, I add my schedule. But this planner functions as a hub for all of the other planners. It tells me basically when I need to refer to another planner, and if I only could use only one planner, I would definitely pick this one. If you're interested in getting an hourly Happy Planner, just note that this is a 12-month planner, which means the new releases only come out around the end of the year. So be on the lookout around September or October for the new season of planners from Happy Planner. My second planner is my home planner. It's a dashboard style Happy Planner. I recently changed the style of this planner because I thought the dashboard planner might be more suited as a home planner, so I wanted to try it out. I keep this planner super simple and very functional. I use colorful boxes to retitle some of the areas on my spread. In my home planner, I keep track of my cleaning schedule, my family activities, things I need to buy, date nights, meals, home projects and organization, school schedule, and even personal tasks like working out. But as you can see, there isn't much decoration going on here. I jot down the different things that I need to do and I just check them off whenever they are done. This is a great way for me to also track the last time that I did a certain thing in my home. My AM routine changes depending on the day of the week, and so this is basically how I keep track of it all. This particular week, my children are about to start school, so as you can see, I have different things that I need to do, like get their uniforms together, their supplies, and organize their folders because we are doing school virtually this year. My titles and my sections in this planner may change depending on what we have going on. This week it's preparing for school, but if I'm planning a party, it could be a party planning spot, or if I'm spring cleaning, it may be an organization list. So this planner definitely adjusts as needed. The next planner I have is my social media planner. Everyone may not need this planner, but if you're an entrepreneur, then this planner can help you so much when it comes to planning your content for your business. As you guys know, I wear many hats. I'm a financial coach, I'm the CFO of my church, I'm a YouTuber, and an Etsy shop owner. I have a sticker subscription and also a group coaching program. It can definitely be a lot. But I really love what I do, and this planner helps me plan it all out. This is the teacher planner from Happy Planner. I rename each section to fit what I need for my business. My sections are YouTube, Instagram, Etsy, Patreon, and I have a miscellaneous section. Once again, there isn't much decoration as I'm just jotting down the upcoming things of these areas. Using this planner helps me stay consistent with posting my content. Another thing this planner helps with is tracking and updating my weekly goals. I keep track of my Instagram and YouTube statistics, video ideas that you guys give me, and how many packages I ship each day. Having benchmark goals ensures that I am consistent and not slipping on what I need to do in my business. My next planner is my budget planner. This is one that I personally created, and I go into a bunch of details every single Tuesday on my channel about this planner. Next up is my faith planner. On my monthly spread, I am keeping track of the Bible verse of the day in the YouVersion Bible app. I like to write down the verse of the day because it ensures that I open my Bible every single day. I recently added my faith planner to my Franken planner setup. I realized that any planner that was not a part of this book, meaning not a part of my disc-bound system, if it was a separate planner, I basically just didn't use it. I need my planners to be in my face in order for me to use them consistently, and when my faith planner was a separate planner, I found myself opening my Bible less and less. So we definitely had to change that, and now I am reading something on faith every single day. My reading planner. Reading is one of my favorite pastimes. I am usually reading 2 to 3 books at a time. I'm reading magazines, articles I find on Instagram, and basically anything else. My reading planner is a spot where I can jot down the favorite thing that I have read that day. It could be a book, a quote, something I saw on Facebook, or something that I even didn't get a chance to read and I want to return to. I love to come back to this planner and read back on all the different things that I have read, especially because I jump around so much, it's easy to forget where I saw or read something, and this planner helps me remember. My work planner. I work for my church, so this is a monthly planner that helps me stay on top of things that I need to do for my church. You guys don't get to see this one, but just know it's a monthly planner and it's here. So this is my multiple planner setup. Like I said, we will be diving into more on this style of planning each Friday. Make sure that you come back every Tuesday for a budget video and every Friday for a planner video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Tuesday. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.